that x and y are integers such that 5x plus 8y is equal to 147, and we are given 5 options and we are required to find out which of the following option is correct. Whenever you are given an equation which involves integers, which is of the form 5x plus 8y is equal to 147, the most important thing is to find out one solution for the given equation. Once you find out one solution, finding out the list of solutions is very easy. So let us try to find out one solution for the equation 5x plus 8y is equal to 147, where x and y are integers. So 8y, as you can see, is even number, 147 is odd. Therefore, you want 5x to also be odd, or essentially you want x to be odd. Let us make x to be equal to 1. Then what is the value of y? Y will be equal to 142 divided by 8. This is not an integer, so we can ignore it. When x is equal to 3, the value of y will be equal to 132 divided by 8. Essentially, you are decreasing the numerator by 10. This is also not an integer, so we'll look at the next one. When x is equal to 5, the value of y will be 122 divided by 8. This is also not a natural number, so we'll go to the next one. When x is equal to 7, the value of y will be equal to 112 divided by 8, which is equal to 14. So in this particular case, both x and y are integers. So one solution for the given equation is that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 14. Now in order to find the next solution, it is very easy. The next value for x will be when you increase the value of x by the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y in this case is 8. So the next value of x will be 15, which is 7 plus 8. And the value of y will be 14 minus the coefficient of x. That is 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. So the value of x will keep on increasing by the coefficient of y. At the same time, the value of y will keep on decreasing by the coefficient of x. The next one will be when x is equal to 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23, and y will be 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4, and so on. So the given equation will have infinite solutions following the same pattern. Now let us look at the options that are given to us. The first one says that there is no solution where x is greater than minus 1 and less than 8. This is clearly false, because in fact the first solution that we are able to find out is when x is equal to 7, which lies between minus 1 and 8. So the first option is false. Let us look at the second option. No solution exists when x is less than 10 and y is greater than 10. This also is not correct, because again the first equation says that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 14 is a valid solution. So the second one is also false. Let us look at the third solution. Third one says that exactly one solution exists when x is equal to 23, x lies between 23 and 28. We know that when x is actually equal to 23, there is a solution, and the next solution comes when we increase the value of x by the coefficient of y, which is 8, so this becomes 31, and the value of y is decreased by the coefficient of x, which is 5, so this becomes minus 1. So as you can see, there is no value of x which is strictly greater than 23 and strictly less than 28, which satisfies the given equation. So this is also not correct. Let us look at the next solution. No solution exists when x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. So as you can see, we have x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 14 as a valid solution. So the one before that will be when we decrease the value of x by the coefficient of y, that is 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1, and we increase the value of y by the coefficient of x, that is y becomes equal to 19. So in this particular case, you can see that x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. So option D is also not a correct option. This leaves us with only the last option, which says that only one solution exists when y lies between 46 and 51. That is, it strictly lies between 46 and 51. So we'll continue to increase the value of y. We know that y is equal to 19 is a solution. Then y is equal to 24 will be a solution, 29 will be a solution, 34 will be a solution, 39 will be a solution, 44 will be a solution, and 49 will also be a solution. So y is equal to 49 is a valid solution. We can even calculate the value of x for the same. So here we have x as minus 1. We'll decrease it by the coefficient of y, which is minus 8. So when y is equal to 24, the value of x will be minus 9. Over here it will be minus 17, over here it will be minus 25, then minus 33, then minus 41, and minus 49. So when y is equal to 49, the value of x will be minus 49, and that is a valid solution. We can even check and see if it actually satisfies. Then what is the value of 5x? It will be 5 times minus 49 plus 8 times 49. What is the value of 5 times minus 49 plus 8 times 49? This will equal 3 into 49, which is equal to 147. As you can see, this is a valid solution. So option E is true, and it will be the correct answer.